Velvet Touch Effect paint, used together with a base color, lets you create unique textures on your walls. In this tutorial, we will show you 3 effects: concrete, fern green, and earthtone. However, the final result will depend on the mixing ratio and brush strokes. Just use your imagination. Concrete works well in any interior, from luxurious to minimalist. The surface finished with this paint even feels like real concrete to the touch. Prepare matte gray base paint and Velvet Touch Effect paint. Paint the wall with gray base paint using a medium pile roller. Apply 2 to 3 coats until you get a smooth, even coverage. Mix Velvet Touch Effect paint with gray base paint in a 9:1 ratio. Using a brush, apply the mixture with random strokes. Blend it in as you go. Avoid using too much paint at once to prevent white spots. You can always add more layers for a stronger effect. This is how the finished wall looks like. Fern green is a deep, cool green effect. It softens bold interiors and changes appearance depending on the light and angle. Sometimes lighter, sometimes darker. Prepare matte dark green base paint and Velvet Touch Effect paint. Paint the wall with dark green base paint using a medium pile roller. Apply 2 to 3 coats for an even surface. Mix Velvet Touch Effect paint with dark green base paint in a 7:3 ratio. Apply the mixture in random brush strokes, blending it in. Use a little at a time to avoid white spots. Add more for a stronger look if needed. This is how the finished wall looks like. This effect creates a warm, natural look. The brown tones add a cozy and calming atmosphere to your interior. Prepare matte brown base paint and Velvet Touch Effect paint. Paint the wall with brown base paint using a medium pile roller. Apply 2 to 3 coats for an even surface. Mix Velvet Touch Effect paint with brown base paint in a 7:3 ratio. Apply the mixture with a brush, using random strokes. Brush it in and work in small sections. Avoid heavy application. If you want a stronger texture, add another layer. This is how the finished wall looks like.